Alright, YouTube. This is my 96 Subaru Impreza. 2.2 liter single overhead cam. I just did a video of the exhaust sound and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Get on down here. You can see it there. I got it really low to the ground, but I mean, it doesn't scrape or anything. I wanted it that low so for one, the exhaust to flow downward, and also to help get the gases from out of the vehicle. And it also helps it flow a little bit better too. But that's what it sounds like at idle. It's got a real low tone to it, and it has a real low tone all the way up to like 2,000, maybe 2,200 RPM. Then once it gets into higher RPM, it's got a higher pitch to it. But I'm going to try to set up my camera farther away this time so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Alright. There we go, that's a little bit better.
Yay!
And that's it, YouTube. Talk to you guys later. Please like and subscribe my videos. Peace.